This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the CS Fundamentals course. I'm on the Alien Dance Party lesson. I'm on puzzle 1 of that lesson. Make a prediction. Here's a sprite called Alien 1. Hi, Alien 1. What do you think will happen when you click on uh it? Okay, let's see. When I click run, set the background to gray, make a new sprite, that's him, and spawn at 200. Yeah, spawn at 200x, 200y. When alien clicked, sprite alien begins patrolling up and down. Patrolling? So walking up and down? So when clicked, I'm just reading the code. When alien 1 clicked, alien 1 refers to that, right? To our sprite here. Sprite, alien 1, patrols up and down. Okay, so plagiarism is serious. Do not plagiarize my answers. I'm just thinking through it with you. Plagiarism's cheating. Think of a better answer or add to it, expand on it. All right. The code will make the alien walk up and down the screen if the user clicks on the alien. That's mine. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh, although it hovers, so not so much walks. Cool. Oh, I can't wait to see what we can do with this. Let's keep going.